Hello, this is Dr. K, hair transplant surgeon from Turkey. Today I'm going to talk about the statement, I want my hair back and I want my whole head covered. Here are the reasons why this statement doesn't entirely fit in with the limitations of hair restoration surgery. The first thing is that most hair transplant surgery candidates have 50% or more hair loss. And secondly, a lot of these patients have also a significant amount of miniaturization, that is thinning of the existing hairs, that actually cannot be treated with a hair transplant. This type of miniaturization is best treated with medicine. Hair transplant surgeries do not bring us new hair. They just redistribute what's remaining. So the total number of hairs on our head remain the same after a hair transplant. The maximum density provided via a hair transplant is about 50% original density due to technical limitation. So the goal of a hair transplant is to achieve the illusion of a density, not mathematical density. Miniaturization, that is the thinning of existing hairs, is best treated with medicine, not surgery. In fact, surgery can make diffuse thinning patients look worse because doing incisions on a scalp that contains miniaturized thin hairs may cause damage of the existing thinning hairs, so it can even make it worse. Hair loss patients have to understand the limitations, the technical limitations of the hair transplant procedure and the importance of medical treatment. The two types of hair loss patients, such as the diffuse thinning patient and the advanced hair loss patients, have to be more careful. The diffuse thinning patient must understand that the main treatment for that type of hair loss is medicine and not surgery. And hair transplants can actually make their situations worse. The advanced hair loss patients, that's patients who have lost over 50% of all of their hair, have to understand that it is probably not going to be possible to give them a full head of hair. In this video, I tried to explain that the statement, I want my hair back and my whole head covered, in most cases doesn't fit in with the technical limitations of what we can do in hair restoration surgery. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful and I hope to see you in Turkey. Goodbye for now.